right, Tamera, tell me what you think about the fries.
I love it.
You love it?
That's hot sauce.
What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be making homemade fresh fries, better than any store restaurant fries ever. Now I'm gonna show you everything that you need. We're using this big pot because we're gonna need this, a towel, a nice size long towel, and we're gonna be using these big boy potatoes. Now, since we like to shop at Costco, we seen these at Costco, and I'm just gonna pull out one potato so you can see how big this potato is. And there's a couple in here that's bigger. Look at this. All right. Also, you're gonna need some salt and maple syrup. All right. And that's it. Oh, you're gonna need a deep fryer for this. That's what we have a deep fryer, so let me show you which deep fryer we have. Now, you can use any deep fryer, but I got this one on sale at Kohl's. So this is what we're gonna be using to fry our fries. All right, y'all, how can I forget the start of the video? This is a potato cutter, and it cuts the potato in the shape of French fries. Now, if you're wondering where did I get this from, Walmart. All right, y'all, so you cannot make the perfect shape French fries without this. All right, so it goes on. Let me show you how it goes on. Just like that. Easy to clean. And everything that goes on in here. So easy to clean and everything. Dishwasher safe. Yes. BPA plastic. Yes. All right. Let's get started. Alright, y'all, so are you tired of processed fries? Do you want to make your own delicious, simple, just potatoes fries that's delicious, that the kids will love, everyone will love? Come and see the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Alright, y'all, so I picked out the potatoes. I got 3, 6, 9. And again, if you haven't seen how big these potatoes are, look at this. All right. The next step is to wash them. I'm going to wash them at least 2 or 3 times. All right, because yes, potatoes are dirty. We're not peeling them, we're leaving the skin on, so that's why we're going to wash them 2 or 3 times. All right, let's get started. Now, the water that we're going to use to wash our potatoes is the level 2 acidic water to wash our potatoes. I want to show you how dirty this water is. You see this? No. So make sure you wash your potatoes really, really good to get all that dirt. Because they're not going to wash the potatoes for you. They're just going to pick the potatoes and put it in the bag. So it's your job to make sure you clean your potatoes really well. Alright, so there's the potato. And make sure you clean it really well. dirty. Look at that dirt. You want you to clean it really well. Get all this dirt off. Look at that. Look at this one. Can you see? Look at that. Ooh.
Water comes out.
Well, these potatoes. We got 2 more potatoes over there that have to be washed. We're gonna wash them probably one more time. Okay, so 2 more. Show you. Alright, so we got 1 more. This is the last one, and then we're gonna wash it again. You see? You see that? I'm gonna show you. We're gonna clean this, and I'm gonna show you this water. Well, I already showed you the water, so it looks basically the same. You can see the water. Can you see this water? You see it? Right. That dirty water. Right? So not all the potatoes can go because they're so big. Maybe I can't fit in there. Alright, so these are all these potatoes.
Please exchange filter. When water comes out.
You can see the difference. These potatoes, much cleaner. These potatoes are so big, y'all. Like I said, you don't have to worry about processed potatoes because we're making it ourselves, and they're gonna taste much better. I'm telling you. Anything that you're able to make yourself without adding extra chemicals and stuff in it, way healthy. Okay, so I know we are deep frying it, but it's just the fact that it's no process anything in here. Okay. A better way to make fries. Look. Look at this. Alright, so let's look at the water. It's not that bad. It's a little clear, but not as bad as before. You see? So if you gotta do it one more time, you can. You just want to make sure all that dirt is off the fries. Okay? All the dirt is off the fries. Looks like Mr. Potato Head, huh? All right. All right, y'all. So this is another reason why I was telling you that you need to wash your potatoes. All this dirt came off the potatoes. We had the back of potatoes sitting up here. You see all this dirt? Came out of that bag from the potatoes. All right. All right, so we got this big pot because we need 12 cups of water. We're gonna use a half of a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to use this organic maple syrup. We're gonna put in there because it caramelizes the potatoes, and when you deep fry it, when you deep fry the potatoes, it gives the potatoes a crispy texture. All right, y'all. So let's get started. So if you have an alkaline filter, we're using the H2O level. All right, so this will be our first cup. We're just waiting for it to fill up. There's one. This right here. So after this, one more cup to go. Almost done. All right, 4 cups of water. All right, so we're gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna add in the salt and maple syrup. All right, y'all, so we're using a half a teaspoon. We're gonna go ahead and put in there half a teaspoon of the salt. All right, and then we have a half a cup of maple syrup. All right, and then we're just gonna turn up the temperature. All right, y'all, so this is the process of how we cut our potatoes for the fries. Now, you will have to find the flattest end of the potato and kind of wiggle it down. Just be careful because those blades are sharp. I know it's loud, but these are some big potatoes. Look at this. And there you go. You see how these fries are? These, look at it. Look at this. You see that? All right, so this is just the first process. We have like 7 more potatoes to go, and just stay tuned. All right, so this is the second part. We want to soak the potatoes in the water. In this process, by doing this, it helps remove the starch from the potatoes. You see that? That's the starch that's coming from the potatoes. Look at that. All right, y'all, so you want to rinse your potatoes at least 2 or 3 times till the water is clear. All right, so you see this one compared to this one. You see all that? All right, y'all, so if you do not have a machine, you can let your potatoes soak in regular water and vinegar. That way, that will help remove the starch from your potatoes as well. And the beginning, you seen all those potatoes, y'all. You see how much this is making? We're not gonna cut. Look at that. We're not gonna use all of those potatoes, and we're not gonna cook all of these. We're just gonna cook a couple, and then we're going to let them freeze. All right. All right, y'all, so you want your water to have a roaring boil like this before you include your potatoes. So we're going to go ahead and add our potatoes. Make sure you stand back because that water is already hot. It will pop you. All right. Adding this to the hot water. All right, so we're going to cut the stove off. All right, and since we have a lot of potatoes in here, we're going to let it cook for 20 minutes. 18 to 20 minutes.
Hello. We are using this.
We're using
this.
it's a Target Good and Gather ketchup. We're making little ketchup cups.
Yes. Then we're gonna put hot sauce in it and pepper. Then
Right.
Papa will need water and then her mouth be burning.
Okay. So these are the types of ketchup we like to use. This green wise is the Publix brand. Okay. Or we do the Target Good and Gather organic ketchups. So right now, like Tamera said, we're just making little ketchup cups for our fries. All right, now we're just draining the water from the pot. Y'all see it's a lot of fries, so just have to be careful because they're really hot. Get you a strainer if you know. If not, if you don't have one, just be very careful. All right, y'all. Your fries should, let me see them. I know it's kind of hot, but your fries should wobble like this. Right, this is exactly how your fries. I'm trying to see if we can get if it can zoom in. Maybe I'm too close. That's how it should be. All right, y'all. All right, so the next step is we're using a towel because we have a lot of potatoes. We're going to pat dry our potatoes. Okay, you see how many fries? And this is not even half of the potatoes, y'all. All right, y'all. So make sure you pat dry. We're gonna spread them out. Spread them out so we can pat dry the potatoes. All right, this process, I need you to be very fragile. These fries are very fragile at this point because I end up, you see, breaking a fry. So be very careful when you're organizing the fries and you're pet drying your fries, okay? So just be very, very careful. Now, like I was telling you, we have we have a lot of fries. We're not gonna cook all of them. We're gonna freeze the rest, and when I tell you, everything's gonna be blanched, okay? When I tell you, when the frozen fries, when you freeze them, oh my gosh, they taste so delicious. So look out for that second video of those fries, and I'm gonna show you how they look, how they taste, everything. But we're also gonna eat some fries today, and I'm gonna show you as well. All right, y'all, so now we're going to blanch our fries. So the temperature that we're going to be blanching the fries is 325. All right, the oil we're using is canola oil. All right, so we're just going to sit and let this oil get hot, and we're going to get started on the blanching process. All right, it is 107, 110. We're going to pull it up and do more fries. All right, y'all, your fries should look like this, okay? It has that thin, crispy coat on them, right? So now we're gonna pour them on a plate with a towel so we can pat dry some of this oil from the top, just like this, y'all, just like this, all right? Then after this process, the fries we're not going to eat, like I said, we're just going to freeze them. So you see? Make sure you get some of this oil off. And do this every batch, okay? All right, so this is one batch. We have enough room for another batch. Now, we ran out of wax paper, so that's what I suggest. I suggest that you put your blanched fries, wrap them up in wax paper, and put them like in a bowl like this. Wrap it up, put them in the freezer, but we're using aluminum foil, and it works just as good, okay, if you don't have the wax paper. All right, so you can taste it. You see how soft it is in the middle? That's what you want. And this comes from the potato soaking in the maple salt and maple syrup water. All right. So like I said, yes, you can taste it, but y'all, it tastes good, but it's gonna taste even better when it's fried. Let's see if you can see. I'm trying to zoom up so you can see it. A closer look at how it looks in the middle. All right, y'all, so you see, got them in foil, and we're gonna freeze them. We still have some left. So these right here are the ones that we're going to eat now. All right, y'all. So the fries, they're ready. At this point, we're adding, sprinkling some salt on top. All right. I'm gonna show you how they look. Just gonna pick one. Let's do this one. Look at this. I'm trying to see if we can just zoom in. All right, yeah, so let's try this again. All right, you see? All right, let's taste it. Yeah. These fries are so delicious. Look. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified. Let me know if you have made your fries this way. If you have, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Look, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my fries. And I will see you later. Peace. Also, y'all, stay tuned for the part 2 video of the other fries that we froze. So, I can show you how they look as well. Peace. All right, Tamera, tell me what you think about the fries.
I love it.
You love it?
That's hot sauce.
Yeah. Like the fries?
Yes.
You give it a thumbs up?
2.
2 thumbs up. Wow. Thanks, Tamera. See, y'all, the fries is Tamera approved.
No. 5.
5 thumbs up? Wow.
10. 10. 10.
Okay, I'm going to let you finish eating.
Got more hot sauce.
Okay.